Hello everyone. Welcome back to Yog Thermal Guru. On this channel, we explain temperature instruments, instrumentation basics, and industrial thermal concepts in a simple and practical way. Today's topic is very important in industries and automation. Temperature controller. In this video, you will learn what is a temperature controller, how it works, types of temperature controllers, control actions and industrial applications. So let's start. What is a temperature controller? A temperature controller is an instrument used to maintain temperature at a desired value. It continuously measures temperature, compares it with set value, takes corrective action. The desired temperature is called the set point. Unlike a temperature indicator, a temperature controller can control heaters, coolers, or valves. Simple example. Let's take a daily life example. An electric iron. You set a temperature. It senses temperature. Heater turns on and off automatically. That is temperature control. Similarly, in industries, temperature controllers maintain temperature in ovens, furnaces, boilers, reactors. Basic working principle. A temperature controller works in a closed loop, step by step. A sensor, RTD or thermocouple, measures temperature. Signal goes to the temperature controller. Controller compares measured value with set point. If there is an error, controller generates output. Output controls heater, valve, or cooling system. This loop continues continuously to maintain stable temperature. Main parts of a temperature controller. A temperature controller mainly has input section, RTD or thermocouple. Display section shows temperature and set point. Control logic on-off or PID. Output section, relay, SSR or analog output. All these parts work together for accurate control. Types of temperature controllers. First, on-off temperature controller. Simple control. Heater turns on below set point. Heater turns off above set point. Used where accuracy is not critical. Example, water heater. Second, PID temperature controller. PID stands for P is equal to proportional, I is equal to integral, D is equal to derivative. Advantages: high accuracy, minimum temperature fluctuation, smooth control, used in furnaces, reactors, precision heating systems. Third, digital temperature controller, microprocessor based, high accuracy, multiple input and output options, easy parameter setting, most common in modern industries. Fourth, panel-mounted temperature controller, installed in control panels, used with PLC or standalone systems. Output types of temperature controller. Temperature controller outputs can be relay output, simple on-off, SSR output, fast switching, analog output 4 to 20 mA proportional control. Output selection depends on load type, accuracy requirement, process condition. Industrial applications. Temperature controllers are used in boilers, furnaces, plastic machines, food processing, pharmaceutical industries, HVAC systems. They ensure safety, product quality, energy efficiency. Advantages: automatic temperature control, improved process stability, reduced human error, energy saved. Summary. Let's summarize. Temperature controller maintains desired temperature, works with RTD or thermocouple, uses on-off or PID control, widely used in industrial automation. Understanding temperature controllers is essential before learning advanced PLC and DCS systems. If you found this video useful, please like, share and subscribe to Yog Thermal Guru. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.